Congratulations on joining Equitrade International and welcome. You are well on your way to growing your business while reducing your operating costs through the strategic use of barter. As a member of Equitrade International, you are now able to trade your product and services with some of the leading companies in your local area. You now have access to a set of tools that will help you get the most out of your membership. But to take advantage of these tools, you must first know what's available and how to use them. This series of videos has been designed to get you started quickly and to help you understand what you have at your disposal. We will take you through everything step by step. For new members, it is a good idea to watch all 4 of these videos from beginning to end. This small investment of your time will make sure you are not missing any valuable aspects of your membership. The video will also be available to refresh your memory on any specific topic now or anytime in the future. So, let's get started. You can get to the member login page in 2 different ways. The most convenient way is to go directly to www.equitradeintl.com. As a matter of fact, it's a good idea to create a shortcut in your browser pointing to this address, as you'll be coming here again and again. If you do not remember this address, you can simply search on Equitrade in your browser and select the link from the results. We should be right on top. Either way, you'll land on the main page of our website. To get started with your account, click on Login at the top of the home page and you'll be directed to the main sign-in window. Enter the username and password you were given by your broker. Your username is your primary email address. If you've forgotten which email address is associated with your account, contact your broker. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Your Password. Enter the email address associated with your account, and a new one will be created and sent to you. Keep in mind that sometimes this will take a few minutes. Refresh and keep an eye on your email. If after a few minutes you do not see the message, check your junk mail folder. When you first enter the system, the My Account information page is displayed by default, providing a summary of your Equitrade account at a glance. We'll start our tour here. If you see something different, click on My Account, which is just below the Equitrade logo. At the top of the page, you'll see your name with an orange icon to the left. This icon will change with each page you are viewing and let you know where you are at all times. We'll point it out as we move along. Below this is your company name and your Equitrade account number. Your Equitrade account number will come in handy when you need to process transactions, and this is a real convenient place to find it. Across from your company name is a blue arrow, which when clicked, reveals a drop-down box. This will allow you to access all of your financial functions in the system. We'll come back to this in a moment. Below the summary information, you'll be able to view key financial information about your account, including available funds. These are the funds you have available for trade transactions. You are able to make barter purchases for any amount up to your available funds. This value is the sum total of your current balance and your available line of credit. Balance. This is your current balance. This amount is the total of all barter sales less any barter purchases you have made. This amount will be positive if you sold more than you purchased, but can also be negative up to the amount of your credit line. Available credit reflects the amount you have available to spend and is the sum of your balance and your credit line. This amount will be the same as your available funds. Credit line. When you join Equitrade, you're provided with a line of credit so you can get started using member services right away. This field shows the size of your credit line. As previously mentioned, this amount is included in your available funds. If you wish to make a purchase for an amount that is greater than your available funds, contact your broker. In many cases, we will be able to increase your credit line so you'll not have to wait to complete your transaction. Cash due shows the fees currently due to Equitrade on your account. Any fees not paid in 30 days will appear in the past due column. You will notice that cash due and past due are preceded by a $sign, while the other values we've explored so far have a reverse $sign. Throughout the system, these symbols are used to differentiate between barter amounts available to use for trade and cash amounts due to Equitrade. $signs will always indicate cash values, and reverse $signs will always indicate barter values. Rounding out the information on this screen are annual totals that reflect all your barter sales and purchases. Note that the current year reflects a year-to-date total that will grow as you continue to buy and sell barter services. In our next video, we'll examine the functions available through the blue arrow drop-down box.